I found a tool in InVideo AI and I can't wait to expose it to you. Hi and welcome to this channel. I'll drop the link in the description box for you. Also, I have tutorials on InVideo AI. I'll drop the playlist in the description box. Right, let's get into the video. Before you start, make sure you have the v3.0 version checked, all right, because that will help you do what I'm about to show you. So to begin, hover over to the top left and you see this tool right here, Generative Picks, with top-notch prompt that will help you create awesome videos. I'll go through the sub list. I'll click entertainment. So under entertainment, so this is for those who are into video game niche. So let's check it out.
I am Akira, pilot of the ancient mech titan. For eons I've fought in this endless cosmic war.
The vastness of space surrounds me.
So let's say you like this video. All you gotta do is to copy this prompt right here, copy it, and then it's gonna bring you over. Then you're gonna go to the main board or the home page. Just drop it here and you see everything is well structured. Then you're gonna just tweak it, like change the title and one or two things and you are good to go. I'll show you in a minute. Let's go back. I'll check one more and move on. So let's check this one out.
In a kingdom woven with magic, a brave prince set out on a quest to find the creature of flame and wonder, the firebird. Through forests deep and shadows bright, he beheld a beauty beyond dreams.
This is cool. Just copy the prompt and take it off. You can click on copy prompt or you can highlight and right click, copy it, and you are good to go. Let's go back. I'll move on to the next category, which is food. So I'll click on food and these are what we have under food. So for instance, let's click on this one and see, play.
From bustling streets to hidden alleys, the world's greatest culinary treasures are often found right on the street.
If you want it, just copy the prompt and just change the type of food. Okay, go back. Let's keep on. Product ads. So let's check this one out.
Our detox tea is packed with nature's goodness. Ginger, green tea, turmeric. Benefit 1, improved digestion. Benefit 2, boosted energy. Benefit 3, radiant skin. 100% natural, ethically sourced. Cleanse, revitalize, thrive.
All right, this one is good. Like, I think I'm gonna use this because I have a plant-based capsules I'm promoting for weight loss. So this is for like ads. Oh, there's another one here too. It's good.
In the gentle embrace of Korean skincare, Regelica unveils the secret to timeless beauty. Our gentle formulas nurture your skin's very essence, empowering you to face each day with confidence.
Yeah, this is good. I should have reduced the volume because it's too loud. Yeah, so let's move on. I just want to show you. This is the travel and landscapes. Let's check this one out. And this is all generated by InVideo AI. So good. Yeah, go to explain a video and let's check this one out.
Have you ever wondered how volcanoes erupt? These geological giants have shaped our planet for billions of years. Deep below the surface, magma chambers form, vast reservoirs of molten rock.
I'll go back and you have the animated, anime, realistic, cinematic, and the list goes on. I'll show you this one.
The name's Jack Marlowe. Just another night in this godforsaken city. Or so I thought. The streets were slick with rain, fog thick as pea soup.
Wow, this is the work of InVideo AI Generative Credits. This is amazing. Let's go back. Now I'm gonna grab one and I'll show you how it works. So let's go to explain a video. So I'll click on this one, pause it, copy the prompt, and I'll go to home page. Let me delete this one. All right, then I'll paste it here. And then, so let's read the prompt and I'll show you how to tweak it. Create a short explainer video to explain how do volcanoes erupt. So instead of volcanoes, I will say earthquakes. All right, I'll change it to earthquakes. Show a volcano. So now I'll change this to earthquakes from the inside out, showing magma chambers, pressure pull up, and dramatic eruptions. Use dynamic cross sections and fiery visuals to capture the intensity. So the only thing I'll add to this is minute I want it to create a 12 seconds. So I don't want it to be long, so I'll click generate video and it's analyzing it. Sometimes when it's done analyzing, this will not pop right away. It's gonna delay it a bit. Don't reload until this pop up. Okay, if it's more than 1 minute, then yeah, it took like about 10 seconds after it stopped for this to pop up. So just for the record. All right, so I'm using the generative media because in this case, if you use stock media, it wouldn't be nice. And visual style is going with animation. I was thinking it might be realistic, but let's keep it like that because it knows what it's doing. Audiences, science enthusiasts, YouTube shorts. All right. So let's keep it like that because we were using a prompt. So let everything stay the way it is. Then click continue. All right, so let's check it out.
I've always been fascinated by earthquakes. Let's look inside the Earth's crust. Here's the magma chamber where pressure builds up over time. When it can't hold anymore, boom. The energy releases, shaking our world. That's how earthquakes really happen, from the fiery depths to the surface.
All right, so that's about that, but I'll see if I can use stock media to create something similar. So let's go back and create video. So in this case, I'll say I'll use 30 seconds. All right, I'll use 30 seconds and I'll change this to quakes and change this to quakes as well. All right, and click on generate a video. It's analyzing it right now. All right, so I will go for stock media. All right, soon as I change to stock media, so audiences, science enthusiasts, look and feel, dramatic, and platform YouTube shorts. All right, so continue. This shouldn't take long like the generative media generation because it's using stock images and videos. All right, so it's done, but it's taking time to reload. So I'll click reload up here. Let's see, it's loading the preview. See? So sometimes when it's done and you see the timer and it's still trying to reload, when it takes like about up to 30 seconds and it's not popping up, just reload it yourself, all right? Or refresh the page, that's what I mean. All right, let's play.
I'm sure you've heard the news. Earthquakes are intense.
It's using my clone voice. I don't want that. I'll change it. Change the voice over to Henry type of voice. All right, so change the voice over to St. Connery type of voice. So if you have a type of voice that you want, just use that. Just type it in and click generate. Yeah, so this will not affect my minutes, my stock media minutes, or my generative credit. This is just the voice. All right, so it's gonna work it out and it wouldn't take long. All right, so it's done, and let me just minimize it. Yep. So let's scroll back and play again.
I'm sure you've heard the news. Earthquakes are intense. But what's really happening beneath our feet? Deep underground, tectonic plates are playing tug of war. When they clash, pressure builds up in magma chambers. Boom! The ground erupts with a quake, releasing all that pent-up energy. It's Earth showing off its raw power. Stay curious and stay safe.
All right, so this looks cool and it's faster than creating it yourself. Right, so to download it, just click on download and click on download video. I have a pay plan, so there's no watermark. All right, and in 1080 pixels, then whatever minute you have left will be displayed here. Continue. The finished product looks better. That's why I want to show you that one. So it's unlisted. I'm gonna put it to private here so people cannot copy this video. So let's watch it.
I'm sure you've heard the news. Earthquakes are intense. But what's really happening beneath our feet? Deep underground, tectonic plates are playing tug of war. When they clash, pressure builds up in magma chambers. Boom! The ground erupts with a quake, releasing all that pent-up energy. It's Earth showing off its raw power. Stay curious and stay safe.
All right, so this is the result of the stock media. All right, but just the creativeness or the creativity is unimaginable, right? I don't think I can sit down and create something like that. Let me show you the pricing plans quickly. All right, let me go back to the original price because you just have to be cautious with this thing because I don't know why it keeps doing that. All right, so I'm on the monthly plan. If you want the yearly, it's a bit cheaper, which is 96, 48, and 28, but I'll go back to monthly plan. I'll use that to show you. All right, so of course you can use the free plan, but you cannot generate the first video I created. That one used generative credit to create, but the second video you can use the free version. But remember, you will have InVideo AI logo on it and iStock media watermarks, which wouldn't look professional. And then you have the plus plan. You have 50 AI minutes, but this is different from the generative credit. The second video will come out of the 50 AI generative minutes, but the first video I created, which I used the generative credit, will come out of the 60 seconds generative credit. And that is 60 seconds for the month or 1 minute for the month. So you have to use it carefully. And the mass plan, you have 200 minutes, but you have to pay $60 a month, 200 AI minutes with 320 iStock media, which is the high definition media. So you use it sparingly. And similarly, you have 60 seconds generative credit for the month. Over here, the voices and the storage are obvious, so I don't need to explain myself much. Similar to the one user and unlimited exports. All right, last but not least, which is the best, you have the generative plan, which is $120 a month. You have 200 AI minutes with 320 iStock, 15 generative credits for the month. All right, and you have 5 voices clone with 400 gigabytes. This you have 5 voice clone, and you have 2 voice clones for this. Now, if you want an in-depth breakdown of the pricing plan, please, I'll drop this video in the description box. Don't forget to watch it. Okay, watch it. It's gonna explain everything you need to know. So this is the end of the tutorial. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.